Okay, number 14 says list all of the two element subsets. The two element subsets. So they don't want all of the subsets because all of the subsets, if you look at this problem, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, right? The number of elements, they use a letter K for it. The number of elements is 4. So you would calculate 2 raised to the K power, which means there should be a total of 16 subsets. But if you look at your choices A, B, C, and D, none of those have 16 subsets. They just want the 2 element ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the number 4. And I'm going to say, okay, we're going to take 4 and pair it with 12. That is one subset. We're going to take 4 and pair it with the 20. That is the second subset. I'm putting braces in all of them. And then 4 gets paired with 28. That's a third 2-element subset. And now I'm done with the 4. 4 has been paired with the other 3 elements. You don't write them down again, because when I go to my next number, which is the 12, you're not going to take 12 and go with 4 because you already have it right here. 4 and 12, 12 and 4 is the exact same thing. So you won't do that, okay? You won't do that. You will take 12 with the 20 because you don't have that. 12 and 20. And then you'll do the 12 with the 28. And now you have paired up the 12 with the other 2 elements. In red, 12 is already paired up with the 4. That's the third element. And now I'm done with 12. So I move on to the 20. And the only number 20 has not been paired up with yet is the 28. Because you've got 20 and 4 right here and 20 and 12 right there. So you do need the 20 and the 28. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of my 16 elements. And those are the ones that are all of the 2-element subsets. And when I'm looking at my list, I have 4 and 12, 4 and 20, 4 and 28. Those are the ones that I did in red. And then the purple ones, 12 and 20, 12 and 28, and then the 20 and 28. And those are the 2-element subsets. And that's all they wanted. All right, 15 says, you've got set A, which contains 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, and 19. Well, wasn't that sneaky? If you're not paying attention, they left out 16. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. There are 8 elements here. There are 8. So K is equal to 8. So when it asks me how many subsets, that's going to be 2 raised to the 8 power, which is going to equal 2 to the 8. Okay, this is where your calculator will come in handy. I don't have a picture of that calculator. Somewhere on that calculator, where is it? And I don't even have mine handy. There is a button that looks like this. It looks like an arrow pointing upward. That is your exponent button. It's actually called the caret key. So on your calculator screen, you're going to hit the number 2, and then you're going to hit this button, and then you're going to hit the number 8, and then hit your enter button. I think this calculator has an enter button. And it's going to calculate 2 to the 8th, which is 2 times 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 2, which is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, 32, 64, 128, and times 2 is 256. This should be 256. I forgot to get my calculator out. All right, now that is the answer to A. In this box right here, there will be 256 subsets. When you get to part B, part B wants to know how many proper subsets are there. Now remember, the symbol for a subset is this. It's the sideways U with the line underneath of it. But a proper subset is just this one without the line underneath of it, which means they're leaving out the set itself. Every set is a subset of itself. But if it's a proper subset, it'll be smaller. So, to get the number of proper subsets, you take the 256 total subsets and subtract out the set itself. The number of proper subsets will always be one less than the total number of subsets. Whew, and that's that one. Okay, and number 18 says, how many more slides have I got to go? Okay, I'll do this one and I'll finish the last two. Number 18. Actually, I lied. I'll pick this one up in another video.